Hey guys, this is Anya. Do you know what I will introduce for you guys today? You can see those modules in the capacity testing. This type is full series to power 172 ampere hour 355 UV battery module. It is very suitable for EV car and especially for the Nissan Leaf car model. Here, let's see the details of it. Now they have two modules doing the capacity testing. For the testing, we use the 30 ampere current to do the testing, and the voltage range is from 2.75 to 4.2 volt. And actually, we already get the result of previous, that is 90 ampere hour. So for the two parallel, you can get 180 ampere hour. So the total voltage is 14.8 volt, 180 ampere hour. The manufacture date is 2021. This is totally brand new grade A battery module from manufacturer directory and never used. It is the best time to buy such module and there is this stock. If you want to know more details about it, please contact our sales rep.